after Hurricane Sandy. Dad, look at this tree. This tree is finished. Nah, I ain't. Look at the pole. Look at the pole right here. Hmm? Gotta get from under that tree though. Alright, let's go back this way. Yes. I'm taking a little tour. I'm making more videos. It's crazy.
Now that's the emergency. They're supposed to be in here right away. Get that tree down.
Yeah, 'cause that tree about to come down.
Yeah.
If they get a nice little breeze,
It's coming down.
yeah, that's gone. Looks kind of pretty clear from here though.
Yeah. The sky's still cloudy.
Yep.
The gym down here. You got a good spot out from under the trees.
Yep.
They should handle that. The kid come along, that's the stickers on that.
Mm-hmm.
Those stickers, the kid come along and grab it.
And that's it. Tree fell on somebody's car.